Here we go. Okay, today, since it's basketball season, we're going to talk about how to get a whole bunch of video topics if you are interested in the basketball topic. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So let's get that thing going over here. Now, let me get rid of that. Let's see. We are first going to, if I can find my browser, there. Let's go to the answer the public. And then we are going to find, there you go. Now, I already have a couple items I've already searched for previously. We're going to look up a couple more. We're going to go look for basketball tournaments. Spell that right. And here we go. It's been more than 24 hours, so it should work. 247 results for basketball tournaments. 18 questions. So we got a couple of them over here, as you can tell. Good. We don't have to look any further. We're just going to go ahead and download the CSV. All right. Now we're going to come over here and do new search. So we got basketball tournaments. Now let's try another one. Basketball. Let's see here. Leagues. Let's try some basketball leagues. Is that how you spell leagues? Yeah. Let's get these in here. These are probably the only searches that the website is going to allow me to do today. So on the free version, it only lets you do 2 searches in one day. Here we go. Prepositions, we got the questions, we got the comparisons. Okay, we got everything we wanted. So I'm going to click on here, download the CSV. It's going to download the CSV files for us. Okay, so we're going to come over here. Let's open up the folder, see where these 2 files are. So I'm going to come over here and we're going to open up these 2 files, and it should open these in Excel. Wait for the menu to come up here. Get this out of the way. All right, open. There we go. All right, so now we got these 2 spreadsheets. These are 2 CSV files, which is fine. Let's see here. Let's make sure we got everything we want. We're going to get rid of the first row because that just has header information. We're going to get rid of that. Close that. Okay. And then we're going to come over here. That's the tournaments one. We're going to come to the leagues one. We're going to get rid of this, the top one. Save that. Now we're going to add on another column over here. Let's see. We're going to insert a column for the primary key. So this is how we do. Since we're formatting the data in Excel first, let's see here. I'm going to type in a number, and just because this goes with the number for a table that we already have in Access. I'm going to drag this down. Oh, I did something wrong. 73. Add to this. 2, 73, 3. I want this to be a series. Then I'm going to double click this little button. there. I want to do it for all the rows in this file. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and save this. In the, oops, yeah, we're going to save it over here, basketball leagues, as an Excel file. Yeah. So we save that one. Then we can close this. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to insert a column over there. We're going to add a index. This is the only thing that I really like about Excel. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and save this guy. And it's also going to go in this folder. The basketball one, and we're going to save this also as an Excel workbook. Right there. Okay. We can get out of that. Okay. So we got the file saved. So now we are going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and launch Access. And we already have a table set up to Data Workshop. And then we're going to go ahead and import what we just got. These are Excel files. So I'm going to come over here. And now we just need to find out where we save these guys. It's the public. We're going to do the leagues one first. We're going to append this to our answer to public data. Let's see if we can get this to work. Yeah. Here we go. That looks right. Okay, next one. Come on. Data import. Oh, we're having issues. Okay. Field F1. Oh, okay, we have to go back and take a look. See why it's not doing it. Let's see, we'll go back to Excel. So we're going to open these up again. We may as well just take those headers off. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Got that one, got that one. Oh, I thought these were the ones that we just... I'm probably looking at the wrong place. No. This is down. Oh, we're going over here. Okay. We're going to get out of that. Let's open up these ones. I may have just tried to open up the two of the wrong files. Sometimes you work with so many files and then you forget where you put them. Yeah, no, we got the right ones. Come on, let's open. There we go. What's the problem here? All right, we're just going to get rid of this column there. Okay. And then we're going to close that one. And then we're going to come back and open up the other one. Okay, we're just going to get rid of the top column. That's one that's giving us a pain in the neck. We'll try it again. Come back to Access. We're going to import Excel. We're going to Downloads. Yep. And we're going to append to the answer to public data. Right. Yeah. Make sure I'm in the right place. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's still not doing it. Now let's see what the problem is. It's going in the seat number field. Huh. Okay, well, we're just going to import these in a separate table there, and we'll sort it out later. So we're just going to go ahead and do it here. We're going to go new we're going to call this basketball. Okay. We're going to come over here, import Excel. We're going to put it in a new database. And we don't have any column headings, so it needs to create them for us. So this is going to be the sequence number. And this is going to be modifier type. Suggestion. Language. Region. And this is going to be keyword. And I want to use my own primary key. That went. There you go. See, we got it to work. Okay. So we got this over here. We got it to work. We can close this one. Now we're going to see if we can import the other one. That was the leagues one. Come over here. See if we can add the tournament one to this. Let's see if we can add this to the leagues one. Yeah, there's no column headings. Leagues. Oh, it's not liking the index. Okay. Oh. Then we're just going to make it into a new table. So we got the leagues. We're just going to do the tournaments then. Import it. No. That's the secret number. Modifier. Right. Modifier. Suggestion. Language. And that is the region. There's more. Keywords. I want that as my sequence number. Okay. So we got these. We just want the suggestion. We want the modifier type and the suggestions. Okay. And here, again, we want the modifier type, and then we want these guys, suggestions. All right, so we got those. Now we want to pull these two together. So we're going to go over here to create, and we're going to go do design. And we're going to do these. We want to do modifier type and suggestion. See here, we want to sort. No, sorry. Suggestion, we want to sort. And modifier type, we want to do the questions. Basically, that's what we want to do. Now, let's get rid of this one. Remove that. Remove that one. Okay, so we're going to just get all the questions. Let's see here. Oh, that didn't work. Let's see. Are we on the basketball leagues? Yeah. Did we do the wrong? Oh, we did the wrong field. Its modifier has to be questions. Okay. Modifier is questions. Okay. There we go. There they are. We got 25 of them here. So then here for the tournament, we're going to come down here. Here it is modifier type. I flipped the titles around. Your modifier type is questions. So we're going to create another query. That's for the leagues. And then, oh, I wanted the suggestions too. These I wanted to sort by. Let me see what this gives me. Oh, something's not right. We need to get rid of that. Try that again. So these are the league questions. See if I can get my mouse over here. Oh, I lost my mouse. Ah, there it is. Oh, we are having all kinds of troubles today. Let's see here. Modifiers questions. Okay. For the league. I got these two screwed up, but that's why it's not working. Yeah. I got these two screwed up. Okay. I got the title, the headers for the two screwed up. One is, let me see here. This one is modifier. Oh, they're both modifier. Okay, good. I thought I had it messed up. So there you go. Here we got 25 of them. Let me see. What are the basketball leagues and so on? One should be all about tournaments. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't script things. Look, make sure we're pulling from the right table here. This one is from Basketball League. And this one is coming from oh, this one's also coming from Basketball League. Oh, no wonder we're getting the same data. Ah, okay. My bad. That's not the basketball tournament one. That's why we're getting the same data. Okay. So anyway, what I just wanted to show you is we got that, how we're getting this kind of data, how I'm getting all the basketball data. And then I have another database, which is over here, where I put them all together. So let me come over here. This is the one that I made previously. And as you can tell, let me scroll down a little bit. And this has a whole bunch of stuff about languages, gardening. Let me see if I can come to one that has basketball stuff in it. There we go. Here's has basketball stuff in there right there. So now I'm going to run a query and that gets only the basketball data. So I'm going to come here to query. I'm just going to get from answer to public data all. Here, we're going to get the modifier type, modifiers and suggestions. And then we're going to get the keyword. We're going to sort by the suggestions. And then for the keywords, let me make a little bit more room here. Keywords, we're going to say we want everything with the keywords basketball, or everything with the keywords boys basketball, or let me see if I can just scroll down one line at a time. Everything with coaching basketball, everything with girls basketball, and then youth basketball. And then we just want here, we just want all. You know what? Let's just not put anything there yet. Okay, we're gonna save it. All basketball beta. There it is. So now you see here, we got everything. Let me make it bigger. Let's see here. We got everything that has to do with basketball. And we only have all the basketball records here, right? But now we want to just have um, the questions. So the if prepositions, alphabeticals, etc. But let's say you only want to do the questions. Let's go ahead and do that because this has the prepositions related. Here come the so modifier type is questions. So we're going to come back over here, all basketball data, and we're going to go back to this one. And we're going to go to modifier type, and we're going to say for that one, it's going to be questions. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this guy to work. There we go. So now you see we got 128 questions, which are all, and they're sorted, all related to basketball. Can basketball shoes be used for badminton? Can basketball shoes be used for volleyball? Here, how is basketball played? How is basketball started? How much are youth basketball? How can you become a coach for basketball? How to play youth basketball? How to start youth basketball team? What age upward basketball start? You see here. What basketball shoes should I get? What is good coaching philosophy? What youth size basketball? So here you go. These are basketball. These are basketball coaching. Where to start coaching basketball? Which basketball player has the most rings? Which basketball team should I support? Which basketball player died? So why basketball is better than football? That could be debated. Why basketball is popular in the Philippines? Will basketball courts reopen? So a whole bunch of things related. I got 127 ideas, all related to basketball. So there you go. So again, I'm sorry that I could not get the other table to import this one. For some reason, it got hung up on the sequence number. I'll figure that out. I'll work on that. So no worries. No worries at all. Access gets funky sometimes with things like this. All right. So thank you very much for coming. For those of you basketball fans, I just gave you a listing. I just showed you a listing of 120 plus basketball video ideas. And I hope you found that very useful. If you found any value in this video, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to tackle another video topic in tomorrow's broadcast. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Have a good night.